loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing with this palette of 12 eyeshadows from Nabla Cosmetics. I like to do, this is like the third video of 1 week 1 palette, and these are all the shadows I already have in my project pan. So I have a bunch of Nabla shadows in it, and I'm like creating a more smaller palettes to get more use of eyeshadows basically, because otherwise I stick to the same ones and I want to use all of them, and that's like the point. It's not the point to hit pan, use them up. Well, I do want to hit pan, but it's mostly to get use out of them and enjoy it. So I created this more cool tone palette with a little bit of warmth, as I do like my warm eyeshadows. If I seem a little bit low energy, it's because I had operation yesterday. It wasn't something big. I feel fine. Just a little bit. I have a little bit pain on my shoulder mostly, even though. Anyway, let's get into the look, and I will start off with this eyeshadow. Then I will be going into this eyeshadow over here, and it's like a matte cream. I will be going back to this eyeshadow and blend out the edges with it. I will be going with the green on the lower lash line as well. And I will be blending out the edges with this. And now I will go back into the green and apply on the outer wing some more. And blend it out. Now I will be cutting the crease with this concealer. I will be going back into the green to just slightly darken up the crease. Now I will be taking this eyeshadow and now I'm gonna go into this dark one again and blend the other one together with it. And we're gonna go into this bright eyeshadow over here and apply it to the rest of the eye. Then I go into this green again and try to blend the lighter and the darker together. And on the other finger I have the in the inner corner of the eye, I will apply this. I will be doing the liquid liner and the liner, the Wonderwand and mascara off camera, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. So I did apply in the inner corner of the eye this Ointic Minerals Shimmer Duo. I mixed two together, two of these shades together and applied in the inner corner of the eye as a highlighting shade. Then my wing duck liner is this L'Oreal Gel Intenza eyeliner in pure black. It's one of my favorites. Then in a waterline is this Doucce smudge resistant eyeliner. Really like this one as well. In the lower waterline is the Cover FX Perfect Pencil Crayon. This is like this kind of nude shade. It's very creamy and nice. And then we have Ciate Wonderwand in Black Magic. I really like this mascara. I have a demo which you can find under the playlist demos. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this week's look. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!